Okay, here's a video. This is a ITO or probably KMK or TMY boat from, I would say, the mid to late 40s. Japanese toy boat. The reason I say that is because of the wood housings around the bulbs, stuff like that. It's a very early boat anyway. 21-inch PT boat, and I cleaned it up and stuff. I got it rewired. It got the lights working and all that stuff. Got the motor working. There's a few missing fittings, stuff like that. I could not find another one online to take pictures of to see what was missing. So this is a fairly rare boat. I replaced the bulbs. I'll turn it on with the motor. Now that's forward. With the switch forward, it runs on 3 volts. Now if I go back, switch it to the back, it runs on 6 volts. Those are 3.8 volt bulbs, so I would not leave it on this back one for very long. That's like supercharged when you put it on the back, and so that puppy will go through the water pretty well. The torpedoes just sit on the, they just fit in the holes, pegs and stuff in the deck. You can see there's a switch, the forward section. I keep a little thing under it because the lever is loose, so with the batteries in it. But anyway, there's a few fittings missing. I'm not sure what went in the holes. Like I said, I couldn't find any pictures to verify it. I redid the barrels. I had to make this gun turret and the barrels, you know, because it was missing. Rewired all the lights, rewired everything. Had the deck off a bit. I'll put a video on YouTube eventually showing the restoration part. I just cleaned it up. I did not repaint anything. There's the wiring. There's inside. See the big horseshoe motor? I took it apart, cleaned it up, rewired everything. It runs on 4 D-size batteries. This comes off too. You can see it sits on there. So I replaced the portholes, and then this just fits in a couple peg holes, and she goes right in. So, but there it is. It's a pretty boat. It's pretty neat. Like I said, I've only seen one other one of these, this PT21, online, and it was missing everything, so I couldn't use it for a way to compare. Like I said, I didn't fix the cracks. There's some cracks in the hull and in the deck. I just cleaned it up, cleaned all the fittings, all the wiring and everything else. This boat's already sold anyway, so. But anyway, there it is. It's a neat little boat. I want to get this online so people can see these, because there aren't that many of these around. This one I only found, like I said, one other one. So anyway, you can see all my boats at rccraft.com or at YouTube under ITO Boats or RC Craft. Thanks again for all your kind comments, and have a nice day.